Welcome to another useful video. Today's a super exciting day because we're going to take apart my personal Kospet Hope 4G. So the first thing you have to do is remove these 4 screws on the back cover. They're on super tight and you will require a specialty Phillips ultra small bit. And when I was removing these screws, I noticed that one of my screws was actually a little bit rusty, which was a little bit concerning. But the rest of the 3 screws look just fine. So when you're removing these screws, just be careful. And another thing I noticed when I was removing the screws is that I actually have a hairline crack on the back cover of my watch. And so that could be another reason why I got water intrusion into the watch. So then you have to remove the SIM card cover and the SIM card, and then basically pry open the back cover of the watch. To remove the back cover easily, you'll want to get a flathead micro screwdriver and apply solid pressure on the 2 opposite ends of the back facing plate. Once you do that, you can open up the back face plate and just be careful because there are wires and connectors there. And then this is the back plate of the watch. And it's really interesting because there's a lot going on here. That's the vibration motor. And so that little thing will spin right there. It's a counterweight and it'll give you the vibration effect, which is really cool. That's the SIM card holder right there. And so your SIM card will go there. And then once it's in there, you'll be able to take and make calls. And you can see everything has a black and red connector to it. That right there is the microphone. So whenever you speak into it, that's a very small microphone there. That's the charging port. And it's magnetic. That is the actual speaker of the watch, and it is a waterproof speaker, believe it or not. So that was pretty surprising to see and a great thing to see as well. And then the back plate of the watch actually has a lot going on, and it also has that heart rate sensor there. So really it's a pretty complex piece of technology here on the back plate of the watch. So very interesting to see all of this stuff. And that's the ribbon connector for the back plate. Once the back plate is removed, this is what you'll notice. This is the battery. And to remove the battery, again, you'll need your micro flathead screwdriver. And you'll kind of want to pry along the edges of the battery to make sure it unseats properly. Again, you don't want to give any one single point too much pressure, as you don't want any of the ribbon cable connectors to become damaged and then essentially make your watch useless. There's the connector for the battery. You'll want to simply get your micro screwdriver underneath that connector, pop it open, and then you can flip the battery over on its side. And once that's flipped over, you'll notice that there's a lot of other components of the watch underneath the battery. This is generally you will notice the calling and the GPS and everything else will be located. And to remove this part of the watch, you'll want to kind of get that screwdriver in the little recesses there and apply solid pressure. Now you want to open it up from this side because the camera bulge actually goes into the camera opening on the side of the watch. And so what you'll want to do is apply steady pressure to remove it from that area. And there you'll see that there's the camera and the 2 buttons. And we can continue to keep taking this watch apart if this is something that you guys are interested in. And if so, just hit that like button and I'll continue to show you how to remove the rest of this watch. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.